Okay, so the first feature of System.io is the ability to grow your email list. So once someone opted in on your list, or you can add it manually too, it's going to be a new contact here in your contact list. Okay, so right now it's empty because I've not added any contact yet, but you can click on create contact and you can enter the info manually. You can create new custom fields if you feel like. And what you should do right from the beginning is creating tags, because in System.io there are no lists. We use tags to segment contacts, and it's a lot easier than managing and running lists. So let's go with a new tag. Let's say that I have a blog and I want to tag the people who opt in on my blog and add them the tag blog-leads. So I click on save, and there it is. I have one tag I can use now. Okay, so I can go back to contacts. Here you have some filters that are very useful to find contacts. Once you found them, you can select them, run some maintenance actions on them, like add some tag, remove a tag, subscribe them to an email campaign, pretty much anything you want. So let's say that I want to create a contact. I'm going to click here, and here I have the tag that I can apply to this contact. So you can import your contacts from any autoresponder. You click here, and very important is that you should only import contacts who gave you the permission to send them emails. Okay, it's very important. Do not send emails to contacts who didn't give you their permission to send them emails, because it's a bad email marketing practice, and we will spot it, and we might block your account. So you can import your list here by clicking this button, and then you can choose the tags you want to add to the contacts you will import. So it's very easy to do, very practical. You can import your contacts, or of course you can create forms so that people can opt into your list, either with or without a double opt-in confirmation. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create sales funnels, how to build your email list, how to sell your products with System.io.